Hey y'all, so this is going to be my first video in my series, Baddie on a Budget. First, you're going to need a clean slate. So, I'm going to clean all this off. Okay, and then you're going to need three things. Your acrylic nails, I always use the Kiss brand. Nail polish remover, which dries out my nails. And some cotton balls. And then make sure you just get all the polish off your nails if you have any. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys that I did take off. Okay, so when you open up the nail pack, you'll see that it comes with the nails with different sizes. A nail file, some nail glue, and that cuticle pusher right there. Okay, so with the nail file, you just want to file your nails down. You can shape them any shape that you want. I usually do square, keep my nails in a square shape. And then you can use the cuticle pusher that comes with to push back your cuticles. I personally don't really like this wooden cuticle pusher unless I have to use it. But a lot of times I just use the one that I have already. So as y'all see, I do my nails so much, I have a little mini collection. But I'm looking for my cuticle pusher that I usually prefer to use. Okay, there it is. So right here, I'm just going to, finish the job off by pushing back my cuticles with the cuticle pusher that I prefer to use. Okay, so as I said earlier, the kit comes with its own nail glue. And I prefer to use the kind that you can paint on by Kiss. You can get it from Walmart, Walgreens, or whatever. And I just carry this around in my pocket just in case one of my nails fall off. Okay, I know we're not supposed to do this, but I always go back and moisturize my nails with castor oil just because that acetone gets them so dry. And I just keep them moisturized for a little while, like a few minutes, before I wash them back off before I start applying the acrylic nails because I hate my nails being dry. Okay, so next it's time to start matching the acrylic nails up to your real nail size. Okay, so now I have all the nails lined up according to size, and I am about to wash off the oil. Okay, so I have dried my nails off really, really good, and now it's time to apply the acrylics. But I'm just taking a moment to look at how, I don't know, they look so much more moisturized now that I have applied the oil. Versus how they looked before when I first used the acetone to take off the nail polish that I had. Maybe it's just me, but I really like how they look. Okay, so now I'm about to start applying the nails. I always start with my pinky first, and I apply one layer of gel to the fake nail, and then one layer of gel to my real nail. And then I just press the nail on. Oops. But I just press the nail on and I hold it in place for about 5 to 10 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same for all of my nails. Apply one thin layer to my real nail and then one to the fake nail. And then place the acrylic nail onto my nail and hold it in place for a few seconds. Okay, so this is what I have so far. You always want to do your thumbs last, and sometimes you may have some gel on your skin, but that's okay. Okay, so I just applied the thumbs, and next you just want to peel off the little extension. Take your time doing this. So now I'm just going back and I am clipping the little part that was left from the extension, and I'm also going to go back and file them off camera. Alrighty, so I usually go with this short style because the field that I work in, we do wear scrubs, so usually you cannot wear longer nails if you have a job in which you wear scrubs. It's not too healthy. But I'm showing you guys my feet because my next video, I'm going to show you how I do my own pedicures as well. So stay tuned for that.